Hi guys, my name is Ronaldine Atencio from UMS V11. What is the importance of ICT in 21st century? ICT has transformed various aspects of life, including education, business, healthcare, and social interaction, making it a vital part of modern society. Number 1. Education. Enhance learning through online resources and virtual classroom. Facilitates access to educational materials and courses worldwide. Number 2, economic development. Supports the growth of digital industry and e-commerce. Create new job opportunities and promotes entrepreneurship. Number 3, healthcare. Enables telemedicine and remote consultation. Provides access to medical information and records. Number 4, communication. Facilitates global connectivity through social media, email, and instant messaging. Enhance collaboration and networking. Number 5, governance. Support e-governance initiatives improving transparency and efficiency. Enables digital service and online transactions. Number 6, innovation. Drives technological advancement and research. Encourage creativity and problem solving. Number 7, global connectivity. Facilitates communication and collaboration across the globe. Number 8, access to information. Provide vast amount of information enabling learning and informed decision making. Number 9, economic growth. Drives innovation, creates new industry and job opportunities. Number 10, remote work and learning. Enables flexibility and convenience in work and education. Number 11, improve healthcare. Enhance access to medical information, remote consultation, and telemedicine. ICT plays a crucial role in shaping modern society, driving economic growth, improving education and healthcare, and enhancing global communication and connectivity.